Many parts of the country can expect thunderstorms accompanied by rain and wind from April 7 to 10, according to the Meteorology and Hydrology Department, Ministry of Environment and Natural Resources. The department has warned people in northwest, central, and southern areas to prepare for the likelihood of damaging gusts of winds as well as hail. The department has warned people in northwest, central, and southern areas to prepare for the likelihood of damaging gusts of winds as well as hail. In the northeast, temperatures will be lower in some regions with thunderstorms, rain, and strong wind predicted across Phongsaly, Hua-Pan, and Sinkwang provinces. Temperatures will range from 14 to 27 degrees Celsius. Temperatures are expected to be higher in the northwest, including Bokeo, Lok Nam Tha, Udom Sai, Luang Prabang, and Sayaburi provinces, with the possibility of thunderstorms and strong wind. The expected temperature range is 20 to 37 degrees Celsius. The provinces of Vientiane, Bolikamsai, Khammouon, and Savannakhet will also see an increase in temperature, accompanied by thunderstorms and strong wind in some areas. Temperatures will range from 22 to 37 degrees Celsius. In Sai Sung Bun province, it will be cooler with light rain and winds. Temperatures will range from 13 to 29 degrees Celsius. Salavan, Champasak, Sengkang, and Attapeu provinces can expect thunderstorms as well as some rain and strong winds. Temperatures will range from 23 to 37 degrees Celsius. Many parts of the country have been affected by storms in recent days, and the Meteorology and Hydrology Department is advising everyone to be on the alert for the possibility of more wind and rain.